Hi, I'm Marlon, and previously I built the cigar box amplifier, and I built this Psycho box distortion pedal. And I was wondering what would happen if you took these two and put them together. So I built this Psycho box distortion amplifier. This is what it looks like.
Here is an overview of the cigar box and components used in this project. A Dremel tool and a drill were used to create cavities and holes for the components. Four holes were drilled and the speaker was screwed into place. Psycho box faceplate and knob were screwed into place. Input jack and volume switch were installed. Speaker wires were soldered. Wires were soldered to the LED. The wires were connected to the input jack. The Psycho box output jack wires were soldered to the amplifier input jack wires. The LED was secured in place with wood glue. Holes were drilled and the battery boxes were screwed into place. This is how the final project turned out.
What we'll do is we'll start it out on the bypass setting, move it to the boost, the blues, the rock, and then the heavy metal setting. I'm going to start on bypass. Then I go to boost. And blues. Then we'll go to rock. Now we'll go to heavy metal. As you can see, it's possible to combine a distortion pedal and an amplifier into a small package, which is easier to transport than a pedal and an amplifier separately. And we hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next video.